Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to connect a printer to your laptop using an easy method. First, ensure your printer is plugged into a power outlet and switched on. Next, take a standard USB cable, typically Type A to Type B, and connect one end to your printer and the other to an available USB port on your laptop. Most modern operating systems will then automatically recognize the new device and begin the installation process, often within a few seconds. Once connected, your laptop's operating system, whether it's Windows or Mac OS, will usually attempt to install generic drivers automatically. If this doesn't happen, or if you need advanced features, visit your printer manufacturer's official website. Locate the support section, find your specific printer model, and download the recommended drivers. The installation wizard will guide you through a few simple steps to finalize the setup. For a wireless connection, first make sure your printer and laptop are connected to the same Wi-Fi network. On your printer's control panel, navigate to the network settings and enable Wi-Fi, often by selecting your network name and entering the password. Then, on your laptop, go to your system settings, usually under Devices or Printers and Scanners, and choose to add a printer. Your laptop should discover the wireless printer within 10 to 15 seconds. After installation, it's always a good idea to perform a test print. Open a document, select your newly installed printer, and print a single page. This confirms everything is working correctly. Remember to regularly check your ink or toner levels and ensure the paper tray has sufficient paper, typically holding 50 to 100 sheets. Keeping your printer drivers updated will also help maintain smooth and efficient operation for years to come.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.